news in 90, Dallas Cowboys owner Jerry Jones was involved in a minor car crash on Wednesday night in Dallas. That's per multiple reports. He was then transported to a local hospital as a precaution. The crash occurred just after 8 p.m. local time on Wednesday, with Jones suffering very minor injuries. Per reports, Cowboys VP Stephen Jones said that his father is, quote, all good. Magic Johnson has entered the bidding for the Denver Broncos. That's according to Sportico. He's joining a group led by Sixers co-owner Josh Harris. It wouldn't be Magic's first venture into ownership, though. He currently is a part owner of the Dodgers, LAFC, and the Los Angeles Sparks. In soccer news, Chile